Hey guys, Arabian Plays back with a third video. My other one didn't get uploaded. It got copyrighted. I know, it sucks. It was awesome. We won, again. But I'm back with my team. We're totally gonna win again. I don't know where we're gonna drop though. Look at my dance. Oh, yes, I'm on. Okay, I'm good. Alright. Alright, see you guys when we drop. Where do you guys want to drop? Topsy? Seriously? I mean, no, tiny town. The place that we went last time. That one, that small place. Yeah. Am I even going to it? No. Shoot, I need to deploy my glider. Deploy your glider, dude. Deploy your glider. Oh shoot, I'm going away from it. It's a bigger town right there. Alright, let's go. Seriously? Oh, I thought there actually was 5 people. I found an uncommon sports rifle. Seriously? You found a rocket launcher, dude? Cool. Another shield potion? Oh my god, Jeremy. Did you have to get into my house? Seriously? Oh, I got a spare. Alright, I'm going up here. You'll give me nothing for it. I got a green sports rifle. Here, then come to my house. I'll give you a gun. Oh, shoot. What? Oh, yeah, you got a sport. Here. Here, wait, let me give you a gun that you could use. There. Oh, was that somebody? Oh, no. No. Is this somebody? Why do I keep imagining things? We're out of the zone, so we gotta go. We gotta go quick. Alright, pause now until we get there. Alright, found somebody. Oh. Oh, there's 2 drops over there. It's a danger zone, but that's why we usually get the drops to ourselves. Watch Topsy. People might come out of it. No, Jason's a pillar of sniping. Oh, I'll take the shotgun ammo. Seriously? Oh, if you got hit, I was gonna be like, get away from me! People are at Topsy. You're drawing in the fire! Uh-oh. I hear things. I hear people. Jeremy doesn't care if I die. Oh, I found a shield. Oh, shoot. Jason's down. Jeremy! Jeremy's down. I didn't make you drop at Topsy. Where are you? Here, I'll come and help you. They took out 2 of us, but I can probably get them. Because... Okay. Shoot, that's not good. Knowing that they got... Oh my god! God! Dude, you got hit again. Where are the stairs? Oh, there's somebody hitting me from behind. You gotta be kidding me. One's firing at me. I am just running. That's a rocket. Ow, I'm hit. I got hit. Alright, buddy. You don't do that. Shoot, I see the other people. Oh, what? What? Dang it. Alright, that's it. I'm done.